How to fix Snapchat not working on mobile data. So first things first is you have to make sure that you have a mobile data. So let's say you already have a mobile data and it's still the Snapchat is still not working. Then what you can do is you can go here directly to your settings. Now what you're going to do next is to go here to your general and go to your iPhone storage. Now here what you're going to do is you're going to have to look for Snapchat. Now here, then what you're gonna do is to offload the application. Basically, you will just be refreshing the application because that might help your problem and tap on reinstall application. Now, if you reinstall the application there, it will actually automatically update your application. So if you go to your App Store or your Play Store, depending on what device you have there, and just have to search for Snapchat here, if you click on that, it will automatically update your application. So after clicking on that, that might help fix your Snapchat problem for not working on your mobile data. Now, the other way for you to actually fix your problem is to go back here. Let's just go back here to your settings and then scroll all the way down up until you see Snapchat. Now here, tap on your Snapchat and then make sure to turn on background app refresh. But as you can see, I do not have that option. That is because we just have refreshed the application. Now, for some iPhones, they actually have the option of mobile data. Make sure to toggle that on if you do have that option. But for me, I do not have that option. So if you do have, please toggle on the data here. And basically, if you have done those things, you have fixed your problem where you have six you have fixed your Snapchat not working on mobile data problem, and basically that is it. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.